Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Abu Dhabi today, concluding his two-day trip to France. This marks his fifth visit to the United Arab Emirates. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday highlighted the ongoing economic reforms in India and urged the French business leaders to harness opportunities that the country offers. In Bihar, at least 22 people were killed due to lightning in different parts of the state in the last 12 hours. Senior off-spinner R. Ashwin picked up yet another 5-wicket haul, 7 by 71 to bowl India to an innings and 145 runs win over West Indies in the opening test at Rosia Dominica on Friday. As Indian scuttler PV Sindhu suffered a straight game defeat to crash out in the quarterfinals, but Lakshya Sen marched into the last four stage of the US Open Super 300 badminton tournament at Council Bluffs.